You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Engineering Drawing and Graphics in BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Engineering Drawing and Graphics is a foundational subject in the BSc Aircraft Maintenance Engineering Technology, AMET, program. It provides students with the essential skills to read, interpret, and create technical drawings that are used in the design, maintenance, and repair of aircraft components and systems. In the aviation industry, where precision and accuracy are critical, the ability to understand engineering drawings is vital for safe and efficient aircraft maintenance. Main objectives: to develop the ability to visualize and sketch mechanical and structural parts. To understand technical symbols, notations, and geometric principles. To interpret aircraft component drawings and maintenance manuals accurately. To apply computer-aided design, CAD, tools for technical illustrations. Blue Book core topics covered. 1. Introduction to engineering drawing. Purpose and importance in aviation. Types of drawings: schematic, isometric, orthographic, sectional. 2. Drawing standards and conventions. Use of international standards, ISO, ANSI, DIN. Line types, dimensioning, and scaling. Symbols and notation used in aircraft engineering. 3. Projections and views. Orthographic projections, top, front, side. Isometric and oblique views for 3D understanding. Sectional views to show internal components. 4. Dimensioning and tolerances. Types of dimensions: linear, angular, radial. Geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, GD&T. Allowances and fits in aircraft parts. 5. Aircraft-specific drawing practices. Structural drawings of fuselage, wings, landing gear, etc. Hydraulic and electrical system schematics. Aircraft wiring diagrams and cable routing. 6. Freehand sketching. Importance of quick hand sketches in maintenance troubleshooting. Practice in visualizing and representing parts without tools. 7. Computer-aided drafting, CAD. Introduction to CAD software like AutoCAD or CATIA. Creating, modifying, and interpreting 2D/3D aircraft drawings. Preparing layouts and technical illustrations for reports. Applications in aviation maintenance. Understanding exploded views in maintenance manuals. Identifying parts, fasteners, and assemblies through diagrams. Communicating modifications or damage findings through sketches. Hammer and wrench skills developed. Visual spatial thinking. Technical communication. Accuracy in dimensioning and scale. Interpretation of complex mechanical and electrical systems. Career relevance. This subject is crucial for roles such as aircraft maintenance engineer, avionics technician, maintenance documentation specialist, technical illustrator or design drafter in MROs or OEMs. Conclusion: engineering drawing and graphics is more than just drawing, it is the language of engineering. For an aircraft maintenance engineer, being fluent in this language is essential for understanding aircraft systems, performing repairs accurately, and ensuring safety compliance. By mastering this subject, AMET students gain a strong technical foundation that supports all other disciplines in aircraft maintenance and aerospace engineering.